Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I'm so glad you could join me today. Look outside my window. It's raining again. It got me thinking. The rainy season is a perfect topic for practicing our English. It's something we all experience, no matter where we are in the world. So today, we're going to learn some simple and useful phrases to talk about the rain. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's learn how to talk about the weather. The most common question you'll hear is, what's the weather like today? If it's raining, you can say, it's raining. Simple, right? Let's practice. I'll ask, and you answer. What's the weather like today? It's raining. Great job. Now, what if the rain is very light? Just a few drops. You can say, it's drizzling. Can you say that with me? Drizzling? It's drizzling. For example, someone might ask, do I need an umbrella? You could reply, no, it's just drizzling. It means the rain is not heavy. But what about when the rain is very, very heavy? We have a fun expression for this in English. We say, it's raining cats and dogs. I know, it sounds funny. It just means it's raining very hard. So, if you look outside and see a lot of rain, you can say, wow, it's raining cats and dogs. Let's try it together. It's raining cats and dogs. Excellent. Another useful phrase for heavy rain is, it's pouring. This is also very common. Imagine you are about to go outside, but you see the heavy rain. You might say, I can't go out now. It's pouring. Let's practice that one. It's pouring. Perfect. So, we have drizzling for light rain and pouring or raining cats and dogs for heavy rain. What about the time before the rain starts? The sky often gets dark. You can say, the sky is getting cloudy, or it looks like it's going to rain. This is a great way to start a conversation about the weather. For example, the sky looks very dark. I think it's going to rain soon. Okay, let's put these phrases into a simple conversation. Imagine you meet a friend. Let's call them Alex. You can start. You? Hi, Alex. What a gloomy day. Alex, I know. Looks like it's going to rain. You? Yes. The sky is so cloudy. I hope it doesn't pour. Alex, me too. I forgot my umbrella today. You? Oh no. Well, hopefully, it only drizzles. See? You just had a conversation about the weather. Let's break it down. Gloomy is a great word for a day with dark clouds and no sun. It describes a sad or dark feeling. You also use pour and drizzle. Fantastic. Now, let's talk about the things we use when it rains. The most important one is an umbrella. Can you say that? Umbrella. I need my umbrella because it's raining. What do you wear on your feet when it's wet outside? You might wear rain boots. Rain boots keep your feet dry. They are also called Wellingtons or wellies in the UK. So you could say, my feet are wet. I should have worn my rain boots. And to keep your body dry, you wear a raincoat. A raincoat is a jacket that is waterproof. That means water cannot go through it. It's raining cats and dogs. I'm glad I have my raincoat. Let's review these three items: umbrella, rain boots, and raincoat. These are your rainy day essentials. Let's try another short conversation, this time using our new vocabulary. Imagine you're talking to a colleague at work named Ben. You, oh look, starting to rain. Ben, yes, and it's really pouring now. Did you bring an umbrella? You, I did. I also have my raincoat. I'm prepared. Ben, you're smart. I only have my jacket. Hope I don't get too wet. You, my car is close. I can share my umbrella with you to the parking lot. Ben, that's so kind of you. Thank you. In this conversation, you used pouring and umbrella and raincoat. You also learned a very kind phrase. I can share my umbrella. That's a nice thing to offer someone. Now, let's talk about the sounds and feelings of rain. Sometimes, after a hot day, a cool rain can feel very nice. You can say, the rain is so refreshing. Refreshing means it makes you feel fresh and cool. You can also hear the rain. The sound of rain on a roof is very relaxing for some people. You could say, I love listening to the sound of the rain. The gentle sound is often called pitter-patter. So you could say, I can hear the pitter-patter of the raindrops on the window. It's a lovely, descriptive phrase. What happens after the rain stops? The ground is wet. You will see puddles on the ground. Puddles are small pools of water. Kids love to jump in puddles. You can say, be careful. There are a lot of puddles on the sidewalk. And what is that beautiful arch of colors you sometimes see in the sky after it rains and the sun comes out? That's a rainbow. Everyone loves to see a rainbow. You might excitedly say, look, there's a beautiful rainbow in the sky. Let's create a final, longer conversation using everything we've learned. Imagine you are with a friend, Sarah, at a cafe. Wow, it suddenly got so dark. Look at the clouds. Sarah, yeah, it looks like it's going to rain. I hope it's not a big storm. Listen. I can hear thunder, and there's lightning. A few moments later, Sarah, and now it's starting to drizzle. Just a little. Oh, never mind. Now it's pouring. I'm glad we are inside. Sarah, me too. It's really raining cats and dogs out there. I love listening to the pitter-patter of the rain, though. So relaxing. I agree. And it smells so fresh outside after the rain starts. It's the smell of petrichor. Sarah, oh, the rain is stopping and the sun is coming out. Look, quick. There's a rainbow. So beautiful. Sarah, wow, that's a perfect end to the rain. But we'll have to watch out for puddles when we leave. True. Good thing I'm wearing my rain boots today. How was that? In that conversation, we used drizzle, pour, raining cats and dogs, pitter-patter, rainbow, puddles, and rain boots. You're practically an expert on rainy day conversations now. Let's do a quick recap. For light rain, it's drizzling. For heavy rain, it's pouring, or it's raining cats and dogs. To predict rain, looks like it's going to rain. Things you use, umbrella, raincoat, rain boots. After the rain, puddles, and maybe a beautiful rainbow. Sounds, pitter-patter. Practice these phrases this week. The next time it rains, try to describe it in English. You can even write down a few sentences in a notebook. The more you use these words, the more natural they will become. Weather is a fantastic and easy topic to start a conversation with anyone, so this is a very valuable skill to have. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Hope you found this lesson helpful and feel more confident talking about the rain. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more English lessons. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to do on a rainy day. Stay dry and see you in the next video. Bye for now.